can handle this. Let's go. What's your name, baby? Baby. Jess. Jess. How old are you?
I'm only 15.
It's okay. No, it's okay. Age doesn't matter naman eh. Hindi binibilang yung ano, edad. Okay lang yun. It's okay. It's okay to you. Okay, let's go! Ang hirap yun, oh. Grabe. Oh my God. You know how to speak Tagalog? Don't speak Tagalog. Huwag na. Huwag. Ay, magaling din ang pala. Kunti lang. Yeah. Kunti lang.
So,
Yeah.
English na lang.
Tuturuan ko ito mag-Tagalog. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? Do you know?
What's going on?
What's going on here? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Can you
Fast!
see what
Fast!
they are doing? Mga nalaginipan.
Muna na itong problema natin nun. Kaya ang taga-bukid na puti sa Australia, maglisod ng dito. Oh my God! Let's go, baby. We're having fun right tonight, but it's you and me. We're having fun tonight. Let's go. Gusto ka ni-English na dyan sulweta? Uy, ika-istorya ni Buibe. Okay. That's serious. Serious. Right now, I'm serious, baby.
Sige, sige.
What's your name again? Jess. Jess, but you're only 15. Yeah, we would respect 15 years old. Yeah, Jess. I'm sorry. But soon. 2029. Ito suluay na kita ng habang buhay. Right now, you're 15. I respect you. And God bless always. Can I have you? Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm just kidding, Jess. I'm just kidding. Yes, and also just get my number. Joke lang. Thank you so much. Ay, palayan na. Thanks, sa totoo lang eh, pero respeto ko po yung kasi 15 pa po siya.
Ako na naman ba sa buti?
Kasi baka makasuhan tayo kasi 15 pa. Ang ano po namin is 18. 18 panaas. 18 panaas. Meron pa ba dyan? Meron pa? Meron pa?
Kasi mga makakaikot. Ikot po.